sanctuary.
So now from here I go to the penguin, then I come back for the wing sanctuary.
Yeah, penguin is over here.
Okay.
Wing sanctuary is over here.
Sure.
Then go to the penguin, then third floor. Second floor is the penguin beach.
So what time we have to be out from here?
6.
6 o'clock.
It
Okay.
already closed.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
for your
you.
help. Thank you. Same to you. OK， 现在他是 suggest 我先去那个 penguin 那边看，然后他的 bird show 是在2:30。我终于买票上来了，上网买票是38块多，有20%的折扣。然后里面所吃的东西全部都是有折扣哦。这是他的 duck map。这个是什么？哦，可以租轮椅在这边，小孩子的推车也是有，这种是wagon wheelchair，哦，很好，不需要钱的，只是老人家的是必须要钱的。跟这个也是给小孩的，哦，这，Oh, this is $18 for the whole day. Oh, okay.好像是5只企鹅，我进去之前它是有5只的企鹅。好可爱！嗨嗨 ，Hello， 拜拜拜拜，很 cute， 老师带他们来玩。OK。现在我进来了。
Anyways,
and some ships do not make it to spring. Though these the arrival of spring brings hope and new beginnings. Penguin penguin colonies are so vast they can be seen from space. While the chicks of most penguin species mature over just one spring, king penguin chicks take over a year. This is their story. King penguins spend most of their lives at sea, but when winter ends, they come to land to prepare for the breeding season. They molt, shedding all their old feathers. Without their waterproof plumage, they're unable to hunt in the ocean, so they fast for a month. When the new feathers have grown out, they return to the ocean, hunting and eating as much as they can to fatten up. After about 2 weeks, it is time for them to find a mate. The penguins forge bonds through courtship displays and pair up to start a new family. Just one egg is laid. There is no nest. The parents take turns to keep the egg warm in a brood pouch above their feet. Summer is here. While newly hatched chicks keep the parents busy with their calls for food, the chicks from the previous year are only now shedding their brown feathers. It has taken them 14 to 16 months to mature. Soon they will leave the colony, returning in a few years' time to start their own families. As autumn approaches, chicks are about a month old enough to be left in a group called a crèche. Meanwhile, both parents head to the ocean to hunt as food becomes more scarce. There are safety in numbers, though some predators are undeterred. Winter is the harshest season of all. As food gets harder to find, both parents remain at sea to hunt. They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the chicks. Some parents do not make it back at all, and some chicks do not make it to spring. Though these magnificent birds live in places so remote from us, their future is intimately tied to the decisions we make. Climate change, driven by human activity, is pushing the penguins' key fishing grounds farther and farther away from the colonies. This makes it more difficult for penguins to find food for their chicks. If the rate of warming continues, over half of the total king penguin population could be lost by the end of the century.
Oh, 看到企鹅了，好可爱。So cute. Yeah. Yeah, you see? So cute. 好小只哦。Yeah. Yeah, like baby 哦。So cute. Yes. So cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doing 跳水，企鹅跳水 ，1, 2, 3, doing. Oh, so cute. OK， 这个 penguin 就到此一游。这只到现在还是不想要跳下去。哇，你看它在跳舞，好美哦！你看它。好了，这个 penguin 的拍摄就到此。现在我要到外面去了。Bye, see you.